Here's a remake of my biology rap I did last year about cellular respiration. Yeah. To Still Fly by Drake. And let me start it. Okay, let's go. Cellular respiration is what we need to do to breathe. Get glucose from the foods that we chow down on and eat. Goes through a stage called glycolysis to make two pyruvates. From then on we use the Kc and the etc to make ATP. Glycolysis, y'all heard of it by now. Use 2 ATPs to break glucose down. That's the investment phase. Now you have 2 pGals. Take away the phosphate. Now what's the compound? 2,3 carbon molecules called pyruvate. Also makes 2 ATPs as a net gain. We have some factors on what's on the next stage, but don't worry, it's for our benefit. No oxygen means it's anaerobic. With oxygen means it's aerobic. Now I don't know which one to choose. Let's choose the ones we humans do. The one we do is called lactic acid. The point of the process comes out with gases, and it turns an ADH to NAD+, which we reuse in glycolysis. Cellular respiration is what we need to do to breathe. Get glucose from the foods that we chow down on and eat. Goes through a stage called glycolysis to make 2 pyruvates. From then on we use the Kc and the etc to make ATP. The matrix in the model is where the next step occurs. If I ask if it needs O2, all you say is yes sir. Pyruvate's now gonna proceed with caution or not, cause it's time for some oxidation. It loses carbon with the oxidative way, and then it turns to acetyl-CoA. Mixes with this big one called oxaloacetate. I can't say the word right. Anyway, with the stuff the Krebs cycle made, time to move to the electron transport chain. That's in the interspace membrane, and that is where the bulk of the ATPs are made. We are all players in the same game, getting those protons so they can go into the ATP synthase. That's the info. Is it making energy great? Yeah.